Hello YouTube, in this video attempt to modify battery from 4.8 volt to 7.4 volt lithium polymer battery. It is a little bit overkill, but I saw that MOSFETs can go up to 10 volts and chip which is responsible for processing signals goes for on 3.3 volts, but stabilizer inside is providing 2.8 volts, so I suspect that it can work on 7.4 volts. So now I will change camera angle and will try to put this battery, and if working good, if not, fun video. Well, what I did here, I open it just in case that it goes into fire. I sacrifice one of two chargers just to make adapter XT60 overkill, and let's see what will happen. Let me prepare a cutting tool if it melts. Oh, wrong. I cut wrong one. Oh, I should to use from battery. Oh, okay. Okay, I made a logical mistake. I borrowed connector from charger. Actually, I should to borrow connector from battery. And I made adapter XT60. Yes, overkill, but let me see. If it works, good. Maybe to open champagne. If not, open door and windows to let smoke get out. This is receiver and controller. Two MOSFETs in parallel for motor and one MOSFET for servo. Problem with this servo, this is not ordinary servo. It has 5 leads, not 3. It has some feedback, I don't know. So, wish me luck. So far no smoke. Let's turn off, and oh, I forgot to back screw. Let me see. Promises test run. Sorry people, I'm slow because this thing is in the case that I should to cut wires. Okay, now what I did else, I glued Velcro here so that it can really get inside. Just this is battery 1.6 ampere hours. I hope that this connector is a little bit wrongish. Connector is just too thick. I mean, not connector, but whole wires. And voila. What is advantage? Instead 500 milliamperes, this is one 700 milliamperes, but this is from another Jeep Let me go outdoor and try how it goes actually. But first I should to back screws on remote on receiver inside. Okay, wish me luck. Later I will change focus and zoom. I will drive there. Behind, where is this sign? There is 80 meters. So let's go. Let's trim to the right. Right now this is about 50 meters. First day it was about 80 meters. Okay, as promised, let me zoom. And behind camera it loses contact. Okay, back. Antenna should be modified. Okay, this is proof of work. It works on 7.2 volts, but the problem is still antenna. Antenna is horizontally mounted and close to MOSFETs which make noise. So it should to be coaxial cable and antenna protruded outside, drilled hole and put antenna also here, so that range is better. 80 meters, it is pretty small, I cannot see it, but when I mount FPV I can see. I bet that this one is no more than 1 milliwatt of power. Battery is not yet discharged, and the problem remains with this shaft. I see that there is some modification. So far I managed to change battery, only it can go even bigger battery, or better solution is to buy a lithium-ion battery for bike, electro bike or something. 4 batteries can get there, 2 in parallel, 2 in series. So 2S, 2P, and it can go forever. I mean, if original battery is 500 milliampere hours, this 1.6, each battery is of those 2 point something. Let's say that's 2 ampere hours. So 2 in parallel, 4 ampere hours. Imagine, calculation, if original can drive 15 minutes, you can drive at least 2 hours. Okay people, that's all for now. This modification is easy by means of not investing much. I just invested time, but I have already connectors. You probably haven't, and should invest in that. So that is good news that it can be changed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye.